Hey, thank you for joining Uncle Mike for the Dow Directions, a technical analysis and view of the Dow. Well, let's first take a look at where we've been, and as you can see, I'll blow this up a little bit after for you, is we're in this portion of the Gann fan. We're below the moving averages, and the dark green is the 50-day moving average. So we'll have to get above that 50-day. Let me enlarge this for you. There's the 50-day moving average. The red is the 20, and the purple line is the T8, my 8-period moving average, and there's the 200-day moving average. So that's what we're playing under at this point, and you can see that this lower portion of the Gann fan is a support line, and today we did touch the support. We were rejected off. We have a hanging man candle formation, and we were propelled back up. So we'll have to see what happens tomorrow in this type of candlestick formation. Okay, let's take a look at some longer term support and resistance of the Dow. The Dow Jones has a resistance level at 95.06 half, and the most recently confirmed downside report support is 78.64. So that's the support and resistance that we're looking at for the Dow. Now I'm going to take a quick look at the trend analysis that I have for the Dow. The directional indicator has no signals that were generated today, and the last signal that was given actually was 95 periods ago. So that was quite a long time ago. As far as the MACD, there were no signals generated recently. The last was 28 periods ago. And as a summary for the Dow Jones, it's very bearish at this point. As I mentioned, we were below the 200-day moving average, 50 and 20, and that is a very bearish sign for the Dow. We need to close above those averages and hold to put in a short-term bottom. It may be even temporary, but at least a short-term bottom to head to the upside. Now let's take a quick look at the Chande chart checkup that I have. The overall price bias is downward. Obviously, the moving averages are moving down. Prices are trending. They're moving sideways to down a little bit. And I have some projected bounds. The projected upper bound for the chart checkup is 93.96 half. The projected lower bound is 75.47 on the Dow. And there was actually a projected closing price of 84.71, and you can see we closed at 84.81. So that is the chart checkup on the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Please join me tomorrow. Visit my website for information on our swing trading and day trading rooms. That might be helpful if you swing trade stocks and or if you day trade. You can join us. There is a 5-day free trial on the site. I'd be happy to let you come in, check out for yourself. But thank you for joining me this 29th evening for our Dow Directions checkup.